What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have the TPMS sensors from Bartun. I bought these off Amazon for like $52 I think, somewhere around there. And before I get into this, this is the one that plugs into the cigarette lighter. Either it's in like underneath your stereo, in your glove box, in your console, anywhere like that, plugs right into the cigarette lighter. Bartun also does make one that connects to your phone through Bluetooth. I personally didn't want that one just because I don't want to have to take out my phone every single time I want to check my pressure. I want to be able just to look right there, which is going to be right underneath my radio where my cigarette lighter is, and it's going to be able to tell me my pressure. And that's very important on 3-piece wheels, because if you're running low on pressure and you don't know, because the stock TPMS sensors do not work on 3-piece wheels unless you have to like custom do something to them, but I did not have TPMS sensors on these because the stock ones did not fit. So I do not know the pressure in these through the inside of my car. It will not tell me. And also, if you're running a nice amount of stretch like I am, I'm running a little bit of a Sudani stretch in the rear and not as much as a stretch as if I have in the rear up in the front. I'll throw a video or a couple clips up on the screen now. But if you're running low pressure on tire stretch like this, you're going to debead, and that is not good whatsoever, and it's going to ruin your day immediately. I have known people, shout out to, not going to say their name, but yeah, they have debeaded just because they didn't know the tire pressure, and that's very important, guys. And also, the reason with these things, that one downside is they are a little bit ugly, especially that they're black on the chrome face, the chrome lip. It's not going to look as nice as the regular silver stem caps, but this is a very safe thing to have on your car, especially you always got to know the tire pressure. But you can take them off if you're at car shows or if you're taking pictures of your car. Not that big of a deal, but these are super safe, very important to have. So we've escaped to the shade now because it is way too hot in the sun. So opening this up, I have looked nothing on YouTube for any of this. I'm just gonna kind of send it. So product, a little icon list for you. This for all these fancy lights. But then this here, I don't know what these are. It's like a little, maybe it's to hold these. I don't know. Got a little wrench, some little nut slash washer kind of things. Thing that goes into your cigarette lighter, and if you look on it, there is actually a USB port still on it, so if you plug into your cigarette lighter you still have a spot to charge your phone or whatever. But this thing looks pretty clean, and there's only 2 buttons on it. But then the pieces that go into your valve stems, I can't even take them out, are these little tiny little black nubs here, and they are labeled like left rear, right front, right front, and left front. So that's pretty important. So I don't know, I guess we're gonna, is this a mod? Is this considered a mod? No, I think it's just an install, so let's just continue to the install. Alright guys, so inside the car now, this is the spot where my screen is going to be going. So I'm gonna take out my old USB thingy. This is my new spot, and at the moment I still have these in the box. Supposedly you're supposed to put this guy in first, and as you screw in to the new valves, this is going to be popping up with the pressures. I don't know which way is up. Let's just push it in and see what happens. So now that that's in, I'm going to go around to each wheel and put these in. But now I'm going to do it in a specific order. I'm going to be doing, alright, this is beeping, that's annoying me. Let's talk out, do you know what? I'm going to unplug it real quick, just because it's being loud. I'm going to be doing, there's a specific order, so it's going to be front driver, front passenger, back driver, and then back this way I'm going to be doing the back passenger last. So 1, 2, over here the back 3, and then behind me 4. But putting this back in before I do so. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is take off your valve cap, and then you want to go ahead and put the washer on there first. Just like that for now. And then you want to go ahead and take your first piece. This is left front, just because I'm at the driver's side first. Alright, so I don't know if you guys heard that quickly. It started to lose air as soon as I was screwing in, but it stopped. So now once that's in, you see I can still move this washer in the back. You want to go ahead and put that to the back of the sensor, like that. So now it's kind of pinching it together. Go ahead and take the wrench they gave you and tighten that. Make it snug, don't make it too tight, and make sure it's not loose. That seems like it's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other sides of the car. So I put all of the caps on. That's that guy right there, and I got the 3 other ones on the other wheels. Now I'm gonna go into the car. I don't know if it stopped beeping. I have yet to be in here. Alright, it is not beeping, which is a start. And if I read all these, oh wait, I gotta spin this around. There we go. It's kind of hard to see on camera. 38, 39, 39, 39. That looks about right. Now I'm going to try and play with this thing a little bit to see what other features this thing has. Because there's 2 buttons on the side, but I don't really know what else you could do with this. Because this is pretty much all I need it for. So after reading this over for a little bit, there's not much that you can really like adjust or like change. I mean, there's like some small things, some small minor things, but not the reasons I really want them. Like I think you could adjust like what pressure that it beeps at or whatnot, but what the factory is set at is it'll beep when it goes under 2 bar, or converted at the PSI is under 29 pounds of pressure, or it'll go when it's above 3.1 bar, which is converted to 45 pounds of pressure, which that's pretty good for me. I mean, I'm always gonna be looking at it because it's literally right here, right at my shifter, so that really doesn't bother me. I just like to see the numbers. As long as they're 39, 38, 40, around that range, it's good enough for me. And besides that, there's like a couple of other things that it'll like warn you with like a bunch of lights that will pop up. But all the lights will pop up. Whatever pops up, it does come on this sheet here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys want me to like do a review on these, and if I like them or if they're worth it, then focus. Don't be the Mark III. There we go. Okay, if you guys want me to do a review on these or something like that, let me know down in the description, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about these. But as of now, I literally did nothing with them, and it seems like they're working, they're doing their job. Once again, guys, this was from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down in the description for you guys to check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.